Well, welcome to the October 2nd recap of E-mini trading today, or better known as the NBA playoff game. So here we are. We started it at 1940, and we're going to end right here about 90, 1339 and a half, 1940, which is actually the bull bear zone. Well, I was right about a couple things today. Number one, I posted in my updates, and we also had that in our morning commentary that I thought the targets under 21 were 18 half and then 15 half. Made a low of 18 and a quarter. I actually did say in the video today I thought that we for sure were going to uh, the low of July 31st, which was 23 half. This red line right here. We did, and we succeeded a little, and then that ended up holding in my updating today. And I got to get this straight with people. I do both. I update on our site and Twitter. I've been updating a lot more on Twitter right now, but I will start weaning the people off of Twitter. I'm just getting people used to what we got going on the site. So, anyway, I said earlier today I thought that the market was going to retrace back to 35 half for sure, and but I didn't know which one we're going to do first: retrace 35 halves or make new lows, because I said neither is done for the day yet. We made the new low, and then we did retrace back to 35 half, and then as we got up there, as I saw momentum building, I also said that if well, we took our 5 minute pivot out. When you took the 5 minute pivot out at oh, where is that at? Where do we take it out at? I'm sorry, right here. When I took the 5 minute pivot at 34, I posted on site that buyers are in control. Not only did we get in have buyers in control, so did the Nasdaq, the Russell, and the Dow. So all the markets had a huge short covering rally this afternoon, and we got inside of value. I was actually looking. I was looking for new highs on the day, and we made a high up at a quarter, basically 1945 and a quarter, which was two ticks away from a new high. All right, so we started outside value. We made all these moves down. We moved to the things that we were talking about. This is yesterday's low. We went through that, and then we went through the July 31st low, bottomed out, came back up, and then we found support. And this has been a big short covering rally up to five and a quarter. We were trading inside value, and I had thought that the longer we trade inside value, that we had a shot to go up and make a new high, and we missed it by two ticks. So let's see what this looks like on a day chart. Also now, we are starting to get to the areas that I've talked about. So here's a day chart for today. All right. So the low right here, all right, here's that July 31st low. We actually came in, and that was the Globex low that night, 19 was that 1909 half. All right, people, in the cards for me, um, especially look at this. We've got one, two, three, four lower closes in a row. Okay, and I'm looking for 1890. I'm actually looking for 1890. This was a nice short covering rally for today, the afternoon, but the close itself is not a very good close. It's actually still bearish. We couldn't close inside value. Let me get back in here. Oh, there we go. And we couldn't close inside value. I know this chart's a little busy, but we closed under our bull bear zone. Um, we did close above yesterday's high. So, and we're closing above the July 31st high. So we went down and we tested it, and this is to be expected. The bounce off of here. We had a low volume note at 21, and we figured the buyers would step in around 20 even, and they did. Okay, hey, you can't claim that the market's not volatile anymore. The rally from the bottom was brutal if you were on the wrong side, and this last break from 35 back another 1,000 points back down to, was it, go to 37 half around there. So we're getting the volatility back. Like I said, you gotta, in markets like this, you gotta cut your size back when you go positive on the day. Don't trade anymore. All right, this is Louis Porcelino, manovermarket.com, and look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Um, you know what? If you would rather just have me update on Twitter instead of having the pop up window, I think the pop up window is good. Just why don't you guys send me an email at Lewis, or send it to manovermarket at gmail.com. Manovermarket at gmail.com. I'd also like to see an email from everyone. I'm thinking about doing a live broadcast and preparing the chart together, and then talk about having some questions, interaction questions between you and I. And I think we can do it on YouTube. I see that YouTube allows you to do a live broadcast. So I think if you'd like to see that, please email me or send a message through Twitter and say yes, you'd like to see that. All right, Louis Porcelino, manovermarket.com. Have a good evening. Try to get some rest. Tomorrow is Friday, and probably be a nothing trade tomorrow because of all the volatility this week. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.